Hey there, hope you're doing well. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to something that could take your trading to the next level: AI NoX MT4 V1.1 Expert Advisor, available on the Segeai website. If you're looking for an effective and profitable Forex trading solution, this is definitely worth checking out. Let me walk you through what makes it special. AI NoX MT4 V1.1 is a powerful expert advisor designed to follow trends in the market. It uses AI-driven algorithms to adapt to market conditions, ensuring smart trade execution, effective capital protection, and reliable results even in fluctuating market trends. It's fully optimized for MT4, particularly versions with build 1421 or higher, and works great with trending pairs like EURUST, PUST, and USD/JPY. The best part? It's suited for the H1 and H4 timeframes, making it ideal for short-term and swing trading. To get started, all you need is a minimum deposit of $200. However, I recommend starting with a demo account first. This will help you build your confidence and get a feel for how the EA works before using it in live trading. Here's a quick rundown of the key features. AI-powered trend detection. Fully optimized for MT4 build 1421 and above. Advanced risk management built in. Minimal manual setup required. Compatible with a variety of currency pairs. Precise entry and exit logic. Perfect for short-term and swing trades. Comes with easy-to-use recommended settings. Now, let's talk about how you can get your hands on the Expert Advisor and set it up on your MT4 platform. First, open your browser and go to Google. Type in Segeai Forex indicators. The first result should be from Segeai. Click on that, and it will redirect you to their official website. Once you're on the site, search for AI NoX MT4 V1.1 in the search bar at the top. After you find it, simply download the zip file to your computer. Next, unzip the file and you'll see the expert files. Here's what to do next. Open your MT4 platform. Go to File and select Open Data folder. In the Open folder, go to MQL4 and then the Experts folder. Paste the expert file you downloaded into the Experts folder. Once that's done, head over to your chart window, drag the expert file from the navigator window, and drop it onto the chart. Don't forget to adjust the settings as per your preferences. That's it. You're all set. Final thoughts? Now that everything is set up, I recommend starting with a demo account to get comfortable with how it operates. Once you're confident, you can move to a real account and start trading with assurance. Good luck, and happy trading!